Hi everyone, this is Priscilla from the Stitch Queen Crochet. Today I'll be showing you all how to create a treble crochet stitch. Alright, so I'm starting off with my slip knot. If you don't know how to do a slip knot or a chain, I'll link them down below. It's how you start all of your crochet projects. I'm just gonna chain 5 stitches here. Actually, I'm gonna do 6. So when you start off treble crocheting, if you're starting off with a chain, you're going to want to skip the first 2 chains. Now, everyone's different. Some people skip 3 or 4 chains. I just skip 2 at the beginning. So I'm just going to skip the first 2 chains. I'm going to first wrap around my hook twice. 1, 2. Skip the first 2 chains. Go into the third one. Wrap the yarn around your hook. Pull it through. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through 2 loops, wrap the yarn around, pull it through 2, wrap it around, and pull it through 2. That is 1 treble crochet stitch. I'm going to show you again. So wrap the yarn around your hook twice, 1, 2, go into the next chain, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through once, wrap it around, pull it through 2, wrap it around, pull it through 2, wrap it around, and pull it through 2. And that is a treble crochet stitch. Alright, so I'm going to get to the end of the row to show you how to start the next row. Feel free to rewind this tutorial so you can figure out how to do it slower if you need to. I'm going to go to the end here and show you how to start the next row. So when you get to the end of your row, if you crocheted all the chains, you're going to turn your row around like this so you're faced the other way. Now, to begin with treble crochet, as I said, some people like to start off with 2 chains or 3 or 4. I start off with 2 chains to start a treble crochet row. So 1, 2. Now I have to go into these. You can see the top of the stitch right there. That's what I'm going to go into, not the chains. Just wrap the yarn around twice. Put into your stitch. Wrap the yarn around. Pull it up. Wrap it around. Pull it through 2 loops. Wrap it around. Pull it through 2 loops. Wrap it around. Pull it through 2 loops. And that is your treble crochet stitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment tutorials that you'd like to see next. Alright, awesome. Thank you guys for watching. And here is 2 rows of treble crochet. Have a good day, guys.